So this is how I used to package my 200 naira popcorn. This is how I used to package it. This is 4.5. Once you get to those shops that are selling nylon cake packs, that all these cupcakes, those nylon them, if you get to that shop, tell them that you're looking for 4.5 nylon, or tell them that you're just looking for chim chim nylon, the big one. They will give you. Is either you use this 4.5 or you use the normal chin chin nylon, which is 200. Then the 100 naira own is the chin chin nylon, which is the small one. Chin chin nylon, small size, the 100 naira size. Then chim chim nylon too, the bigger one. This is 100 naira. And this is how I used to start it. And finish refilling them. So when you bring it closer like this, let me remove this hand clip so that you'll be able to see what. Please don't mind the noise you are hearing. You know I'm in the market. So this is my stepler. There's pin inside. So when you get it like this, you fold it 2 times. You fold it 2 times. Then you drag the ear like this and step it. You drag the second ear and step it. Cut it. I will still teach you how I used to package the bigger pack. This is just how I used to staple it. I used to fold the mouth very well in such a way that breeze will not enter it easily. Using this method, breeze cannot enter it easily. Even if you didn't sell it finished today, it can still remain for some days. So this is how I used to do it until I finish this. When you get it like this, fold it the first step, fold it again, drag the ear like this, and staple it. Drag this side. So this is the 200 naira. Fold it again. Then you drag it. Drag this side.